Located in the desirable Quinndale neighborhood on the Hamilton Mountain, this beautifully updated end-unit townhome is close to restaurants, shopping, and has easy highway access. Inside, you'll find a bright, open-concept main level with an updated kitchen, dining room, powder room, and a spacious living room leading out to the backyard. Upstairs, you'll find 3 good-sized bedrooms and an updated 3-piece bathroom with a walk-in shower. The basement offers inside garage entry, laundry, and additional space for storage, a home gym, or future living space. Welcome to Unit 34 at 1301 Upper Gage Avenue.